Let's go. Yeah. It's the King Squad. It's the King Squad. Yeah, we go hard. Yeah, we go. What's up, King Squad? What's up, K Gang? It's your girl King. Today, y'all finna get ready with me. And today, what we gonna be doing is I'm about to take my little sister to this little trail jump. I don't really know what it's called, but I went there on a field trip in 5th grade, right? And then I just got reminded of it the other day, so I rolled up there, but it was closed. I knew it was closed. I just rolled up there because I was trying to see, you know what I'm saying, who. But we finna go up there today, 6 minutes away, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, we finna go see some frogs and some, you know what I'm saying, just the nature, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all gonna get ready with me, and then I might throw a little I got these wrap snack noodles that I've been wanting to try. I got 2. So it's gonna be 2 parts of this. I'm letting y'all know that right now. It's gonna be 2 parts of this because I only got 2 because they only had 2. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna go back and get the other ones. This gonna be like a whole little junk type. Like, cause they got drinks too, but I only got 2 of the noodles right now. So, you know what I'm saying? Once I get some more stuff, I'm gonna do it, and then I get some more stuff, I'm gonna do it again. So this is get ready with me / go to the trailer park or whatever you want to call it / try rap snacks with me. I don't really know what title gonna be yet, but y'all just tune in. Alright, again, I'm back. I'm dressed now, you know what I'm saying? Now I gotta get my hair done. Nah, not too much on my hair, bro. I just took it out yesterday and it was late, so I ain't washed it or none of that. But I'm trying to go. So, like, I'm about to do my hair real quick, and we gonna watch that bit either later or tomorrow, because I be having, you know what I'm saying, stuff to do. But, yeah, let me just finish. I'm really just dressed. Just gotta, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna show y'all fit chat. I ain't really go too crazy, but I did a little something, you know. I got a little fresh when I stepped out, you know what I'm saying? But, and it didn't even get to the accessory card yet. But my not combed out, and I'm not planning on combing out. I'm about to just put it in front of it. But y'all just watch me where I might put a bitch on time lapse, because I know y'all want to see it and watch me do my hair the whole time. But I'm gonna just tell y'all what I'm about to do. I'm about to go to jail, my dude's room. Then I'm about to go, whatever. Put that bitch on here. Boom. Take the shoe screen, because I ain't got time. And before y'all say something, y'all let me see y'all here. You feel me? Because I never gave ball. I'm just using screen screen. You feel me? So I know motherfuckers that watch the video and be like, you bald. Y'all know who y'all are. But listen, I don't want to hear this because y'all do the same shit. Let's keep it a buck because y'all want to. No, we ain't even gonna go to that. But let me go ahead and go get the jump, do my hair, and we gonna head out. And I'm gonna show y'all when we get there. We gonna vlog. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And when I say me, I'm talking about me and my sister. You really? But yeah, let's get it, man. All right, now y'all see the concept I'm trying to do. You feel me? It ain't done yet, so don't think this the finished result. I gotta kick it out a little bit more because I got hella curls in the back. Cause I told you I just took my break. I don't know if look. I gotta fix the back. I gonna fix the front up a little bit, and then I'll be back with y'all. Actually, I might be back with y'all when I'm actually finna leave. I'm about to fix my hair, to brush my teeth, you know, because I already knew somebody was gonna probably already didn't sell. She ain't even brush her teeth. Like, bro, I'm about to brush my teeth because I get dressed and then I brush my teeth off. Everybody different, but just know it's getting done. So, alright, I'll be out, y'all. Y'all, I'm bad. I know I said I was gonna come back when we leaving, but I just wanted y'all to show y'all. You feel me? This is what I came up with. Leave the little curls in it. You feel me? And I don't know. I feel like I like it, but and again, it's kind of throwing. I don't know. Maybe because I'm not used to it or something. But put the chain on. This is my new chain. Okay. Y'all don't know about RTK. Y'all just know about Ken. You feel me? But you feel me? But yeah, I got another one, but I don't know where my other chain is. Well, I know where they fell. My sister about to bring it to me right now. But this the plan. I'm finna take them here 6 minutes away. It ain't gonna take that long. We finna go walk this little trail. We gonna do the kid trail because I don't want to take them on a long trail. So we gonna do the little kiddie trail, and then I'm gonna bring them back. Then y'all gonna see me at a whole another crib because I might go to my room crib after this. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I might go get my glass. I might brush my teeth real quick, put my glasses on, get my keys. I gotta say bye to my. Oh, I didn't even introduce y'all to my dog. Y'all got a dog now, bro. But it's alright. I'm gonna show y'all her later on in the video because I'm trying to really hurry up because the place closes at 4. It's 2 o'clock, and yeah. So I see y'all when we get out for this time. Alright, y'all. We about to be on our way. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to wrap my school just in case y'all was wondering. It's 6 minutes away, so yeah. I get back with y'all then. You feel me? Gang. What's up, y'all? So we here. Y'all see the background, you know what I'm saying? I got the map. I got my little stuff. Hold on, we finna do a little fit check, right? Hold on, I'll be right back with y'all. Fit check. First we got little lady, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. Hold on, why it's so zoomed? Okay, hold on. Y'all just messed the camera up. My bad. Okay. Then we got Kiana. Fit check. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all show me. You feel me? Nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? But we about to go to the kid trail. Y'all see all these mosquitoes and stuff? Cause we in nature. We finna get bit up. She wanna say hey. Say what up, K Squad. What up, K Squad? Say what up, K Gang. What up, K Gang? You already know what it is. What's up, gang? So we here and we don't know where we at. We kinda lost. I went in there and I asked the man. He gave me the map. But this map not really helping, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Cause I'm trying to make sure. Like it's 2 ways and we don't know which way to go. It's a whole bunch of trails. I don't want to go on the wrong trail. See, we got this building right here. It's a building up here. He said from the parking lot. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything. But I'm thinking like it was gonna be a sign so I can know that I'm in the right place. Because I don't want to go this way if it's not the right. Oh, here you go. We walked past it. Alright, I found it. It's a kids trail. So yeah, we were gonna go the wrong way. So y'all, we're in nature. How y'all feel about being in nature? Good, but I'm still kind of scared. She's scared. It's nothing to be scared of. Yeah, I wish I can like flip the camera around, but I'm gonna have to stop the video and do that. So hold on, y'all. Alright, so y'all a little zoomed in, and I just realized why. Because my thing on my camera is cracked. So if I zoom out, it's gonna be blurry. So y'all just gotta look like that. They're scared. Just follow the trail and stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing to be afraid of. I'm gonna let y'all walk up a little bit because they can't really see. But y'all, I just decided to let them come out here and see nature because these kids always in the house. And if I would have known and thought about it last weekend, I would have run all the little kids here because, you know what I'm saying? It's a good learning experience, you know, and it's a good thing to be outside, you know what I'm saying, and not in the house or electronics all the time. So they keep complaining about the mosquitoes, but you know what I'm saying? At least they not outside. I mean, shoot. At least they not in the house, you know, wasting their time and stuff like that. So yeah, we finna walk on this trail, and we gon' get back with y'all when we get to the deck. On gang, y'all say peace. Peace. Y'all, we made it to the deck. You know what I'm saying? Took us a little minute to get here. A little scared. You're not gonna fall. Look at the water, gang. Isn't this so nice, y'all? Yeah, it's making me walk fast. I'm scared. Lily's scared. Me? Oh, period. Oh, let me check. Do not lean on that. Look at the water. It's so good. But hold on, y'all. We finna take some pictures real quick. Oh, wow. We back. It's a turtle. Hold on. I don't want to. dropped my phone. Can y'all see that? So y'all see it? Look at the turtle. Do y'all see anything else? Anything else?
Oh, is this why turtle swimming like that? I'm finna see if I can. I'm finna look on it. Okay, it is.
Y'all, this is so beautiful, isn't it, kids?
Yes, but what's on the turtle?
What do you mean, what's on the turtle? Y'all, this is so crazy. Look at the nature. We gonna start coming here a little more often, y'all.
Oh yeah, whenever our cousin comes.
Oh, it's more turtles over there, y'all. Up there, y'all see it? On that little box. Hold on. Let me see if y'all can see. Y'all, it's more. There are big turtles over here.
Those are the big turtles.
It look like, is that a turtle right there? No, that's a leaf.
Yeah, that's leaf.
Y'all, this is so amazing.
I'm gonna go see if I can see something else. I wanna see a fish.
You wanna see a fish? I don't know if you're gonna see a fish. I don't really wanna lean. I don't know how to start this. But yeah, this is cool. Now, the only thing is, I don't even know if I know my way out of here for it, but I'm about to do a thumbnail real quick. I get back right with y'all. I fixed my camera. I took the little thing off so I can finally zoom in without it. But the turtles that was right here is right there. I don't know if y'all can see them. Y'all see them little things in the water? Yeah, they floating.
It's 5. It's 5.
It's like 5. It's a lot of turtles out here, y'all. It's so beautiful, man. Like, I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I feel like I should take my graduation pictures over here though. Like, you feel me?
It's a dead butterfly.
It's a dead butterfly. No, where? I knew that was something dead, but I didn't want to say. Y'all see those little blue things? I don't know what are those. And somebody in the comments, can y'all let me know what it is? Cause I don't know. It's a lot of them right there on that tree too. Zoom in for y'all can see. But it's a dead. The butterfly drowned it, y'all. We gonna take a moment of silence for the butterfly real quick. Okay. Rest in peace. But we finna get off this deck. Y'all, we finna go ahead and get off this. I need to pull out the mess. Kiana, hush.
No, that's not.
Anyway, Kiana, you're messing my video up. Hush. You know they can hear you, right? Now, Mom, if you're watching this, get your child because she just need help. But which way y'all think we should go? Back on the kid trail, or that way?
Oh, how about we go this way?
Y'all, we don't even know where we're gonna go. We get back with y'all when something interesting happens. Cause I know y'all don't want to see this. And
we're going this way.
I ain't worrying about this video being too short because I'm adding some more. I'm gonna add a little jump to the end, like I said. So, y'all, we just gonna enjoy the rest of our time here, and I'll see y'all when we finna leave. On game. Or if something interesting, if we see something else, I'm gonna record it. But right now, this might be the end of y'all seeing us up in the woods. You feel me, cuz? Yeah. Come here, like, where you at? Where you at? Yeah, big dog. We finna take a picture right here too. Hold on. On gang. Okay, gang. We made it to another trail. You know what I'm saying? We at the salt, man. It's not really nothing to be seen here. Like, I'm being honest. I don't know if it's too early or what. We're right here. We went on the Bluebird Trail.
Yeah.
But now we're here. What?
So.
That's not a map. Anyway. Yeah. But we finna go because it's like 3. What time is it? It's 3:13. They close at 4. And we don't want to get locked in here. So, yeah. Right here.
Yeah.
And it's actually other people over there. That's why I'm not being this loud because I don't want to disturb their peace because, you know, in nature, this is supposed to be relaxing. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. We out for right now. Actually, y'all, we at the school right now, but we just ran into some supporters, so we're gonna let them say what up to the vlog, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up?
Yeah, what's your name?
Skyler.
Yo, y'all say hey to Skyler. And then y'all say hey. What's your name? Corey. I say hey to Corey. You wanna say hey to the vlog?
Hey.
Alright, y'all, we at the school. Ain't really nothing for y'all to see, so we do that. Alright, gang, so I'm back, and I decided to end the video right here because I'm gonna just make a whole nother video for. But like I said, shout out to Skylar and Corey. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all for supporting the channel. Y'all make sure y'all tune in because I'm finna be posting more. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, shout out to all my supporters, not just them. But hey, I'm out for right now, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog on game.